Operation and maintenance. The rule of the operation of commercial air transport with airplanes is EU Regulation 965/2012, Annex IV Part CAT. Although the maintenance physically has to be done in a 145 maintenance organization, the operator has certain maintenance responsibilities. The operator is responsible for the airworthiness of his aircraft. The operator is required to have a maintenance program that must be approved by the authority and kept up to date. Unless the operator has a 145 maintenance organization of his own, he must have an agreement with a 145 maintenance organization on contractual maintenance. The authority must approve this agreement. In any case, the operator must have an organizational unit to order the proper maintenance from the 145 maintenance organization at the right time and must supervise the fulfillment of the job. This unit within the organization of the operator is called Continuing Airworthiness Management Organization, CAMO.